Hi there. Welcome to this series on different PLC programming languages: ladder logic, structured text, function block diagram, instruction list, and sequential function chart. In this series, I'll demonstrate how to execute the same function across all these languages by simulating a simple heat treating process. Here's how it works. Press the start button to initiate the heat treating process. The process runs for 5 seconds. During this time, the red LED will blink with a 500 milliseconds frequency. Once the heat treating is complete, the green LED will turn on. The green LED will turn off when the process is restarted. Here's the structured text code running in the simulation. The process starts when you press the start button. The heating LED blinks to indicate the heating process is active. Once the heat treating is complete, the finished LED will light up. The LEDs will reset when the start button is pressed again. Thank you for watching.